We're in Tamworth for the Christmas Lights switch on, where I met some of the local kids looking forward to Christmas. Mia, we're asking you about Christmas. What do you want from Santa?
A guitar.
A guitar. And the important thing is, have you been good all year so that Santa comes? Yeah. What have you done that's really nice this year?
I don't know.
Look, just loads of really good stuff. Yeah. And what do you love best about Christmas?
Getting the presents.
I've had a lovely day here in Tamworth.
Yeah.
Yeah, what do you like best?
Going on the ride.
So we have to ask for best, right? What is it that you want for Christmas this year?
A new teddy bear.
A new teddy bear. There's a nice, easy Christmas present for you.
It's been very good, and I'm really excited for the Christmas lights to get on.
Are you excited about seeing Santa?
Yeah.
Yeah. And what are you having for Christmas?
I'm having a gaming chair, I don't know what else to think of.
Now, what we're asking you is, what do you want for Christmas? Have a think. You haven't made your mind up yet, have you? What do you want for Christmas?
I want my own reindeer.
Your own reindeer? That is quite a Christmas present. I've never known anyone who's had a reindeer for Christmas. Say they can't get a reindeer because they can't live in the warm summer here. What would you have instead?
A real polar bear.
A real polar bear. Got a slight feeling you might be getting those Christmas. Have you made your mind up yet? No. Well, I wish you both a very Merry Christmas and good luck with the polar bear and reindeer.